The hubby's out here because he's taking some kind of thing from the truck with a little computer. Right, babe? You removing a computer from in there that's kind of hooked up in there?
That's right.
And then there's what, wires?
It's a cable. It's a cable I have to get, like a little box.
Okay. Is it difficult to get it out?
I hope not.
Did you mount it on? Or how was it mounted on? Who did it?
I think I did it. I think. Can't remember.
You can't remember if you mounted it on?
Yeah.
How can you not like remember that? Out here in the country. Out here in the country is so peaceful. It's just very peaceful out here. This is his tractor. And he is trying to get the little thing out. What's that white stuff? Oh, okay. Oh my Lord. Oh, you need to take the whole thing apart, babe? Why is it so complicated? Why did they make you put that in to begin with?
Because this is the ELD.
ELD. ¿Y para qué eso? What does it do?
This is for the electronic log. So it knows when your truck is running and all that good stuff.
Tá bem, tá bem. Já estou a ver. Já estou a ver. It looks so complex to put in and put out, not take out.
Let me grab a screwdriver.
You didn't bring it?
Over here.
He was asking me for one of these things. He was asking me for the T25. And when I was looking at it, I didn't notice that underneath the numbers are there. But they're the same color as the, like the numbers are blue, these are black. So when you're looking at it, I didn't even realize the numbers were right there. So, learned something new today. And I thought T25 was gonna be the bigger one because this is a 19. So you see, like, so I thought they were getting bigger, but actually the T25 is actually a smaller one to be precise. And he's got his stuff. Do you want to say what you're doing?
I'm removing the plug, the harness.
He's removing the plug, the harness, whatever that means. That thing? So that's what they made you,
Yes.
that's what they make you put in? So now this is your, so you're your own driver, but they still, when you get work from a company, they make you put that in? Is that how it works?
By law, you gotta have an electronic log. Yes, sir.